What's up, vlog? I'm here with my boy Tony. He's filming. We're going to Brick House right now. We got our pre-workout right now. I'll show you guys my stack. My Rise products. I think I'm gonna take a bowl. I have so many of. Oh shit, I'm running low. But we have the Rise Project Blackout in the Heal Mix bottle. Code Protein, of course. Guys, just use Code Protein for everything. Like, I don't give a fuck if it's you're going to McDonald's, you're Uber eating some shit. Just type in promo code Protein. You probably get 50% off your order, you fat fuck. Today, honest heaping serving size, because today we have some bench planned out. That is a pretty honest scoop. Caffeine to the dome. We have prescribed some bench PRs, possibly. Actually, I don't know, because recently I have been PRing on bench because I kind of switched up my grip to like a more closer grip. It's been helping me out a fuckload. So I like it a lot more, and that's kind of how I've been hitting PRs. And we have our carb source for today. So 2 rice cakes, easy 100 calories, 22 grams of carbs. It's gonna be our slow digestive carbs for the workout, so we can get a fat pump. Every time this pre-workout's in here and you shake it, look.
Holy
explodes,
shit.
Bro. Because there's so much
it's like a fucking soda.
It's literally, it foams up and everything, so it's really good. It's like Baja Burst from Taco Bell. Wow, that was so good. Let's go. Let's go, yo, we just got hooked up at this new gym. It's so sick, yo. Check out this post right here. It looks like a fucking dungeon in here. I'm waiting on this girl, Katie. We're gonna go work out today. They got the benches there. I'm gonna go hit some flat bench. But yeah, I was here yesterday actually, and I was deadlifting over there. I finally got a hold of the deadlift bar. Completely tore my calluses. Completely worth it. PR, maybe PR today. We'll see. Warm up my lats, because if your lats are sore as fuck, you can't bench properly, because that's what you use when you arch against on your lats, so it helps a lot. How am I supposed to expect to hit some bench PRs? I'm only 3/4 done.
Fucking chug it right now, chug it right now.
Let's go, baby.
Samurai sword, bro.
So then after that, do you think you might set up?
No, I'm moving.
Where?
I didn't tell you?
No?
I'm moving to Texas.
I'm gonna move to Texas too.
You're not.
Yeah, to Austin. You're following me.
No, I already got my fucking apartment. You got your apartment yet? Yeah.
Hey, where are you living?
And in the Justice. Justice.
Yeah.
My roommates. So CEO of Yolk and Justice. Big shit company. Let's go. Fuck this. I'm trying to get big. They're distracting me from my gains.
No way you found it.
I dug deep. Stuck in between one of my...
Wait. Is this stolen from somewhere?
No! These are Carter's. He bought them on Amazon. These were actually used in zoo culture. Like, we didn't have clips, and I had them on a bag. And I was like, let's use these. $110 for 2 days, bro.
Oh,
You
no,
can get
you
like
even, that's insane.
You can get like a 3-month membership for that price, bro. 2 days. 2 days, $110.
Brad's on some other shit, bro.
They just ripped my fucking bag open. God damn it, dude. Pissed off, bro.
What'd you play, MrProtein?
I'm trying to play Baby Ziz, bruh. The new song of Baby Ziz. But something's up with this shit, bro. They don't want me to hear it, so we're gonna swipe out. We're gonna go back in SoundCloud. Also, if you guys aren't, go get my Road Abuse post. 872 likes, bro.
That's decent.
People like that shit, bro. More than my Instagram post. No, I'm kidding. Actually, we're gonna play Oblivion because I really like this song. Shout out to Tevez. Let's go. Oh, the fat pad's open. We're going to the fat pad.
Let's do it.
They're knowing because she's on prep. We'll go talk to her. We'll see how many weeks out she is, but she's competing soon. So I couldn't use the "Do you compete" line because she already does. I look so tall. Guys, I'm not 5'4". I'm 6'4". I come here to flex. That's why I got a membership here. Am I looking big?
Yeah.
Who's
Who's
bigger?
bigger? Do I look bigger?
No.
What? What now?
Yeah.
Oh, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pretend to fail 225. I'm gonna be like, oh. Second thing, I'm just start repping it.
When they come over?
Yeah, I'm gonna scream, oh. Hopefully the guy doesn't come over and help. If it does, then we're gonna prank him. Oh. Just kidding, I don't fail. Who do you think I
I
am?
was gonna rescue you.
Who do you think I am? I don't fail. I'm Mr. PR. That's good though, right?
You know what?
It's good. You
It's
didn't
the-
believe, you didn't buy it at first.
I didn't.
And then you're like, oh my god, it's like 10 seconds. You must be dying. Nope.
You were turning red. Yeah.
Cool as a cucumber right now, man.
The guy who cries wolf. And you know what? When you need saving, no one's gonna be there.
Well, I don't need any help. Different.
Our friendship is built on trust. We already lost one.
Big trust.
What are you about to do, Mr. Protein? Show them what you're gonna do.
PR.
Let's see it.
I'm 275, I'm gonna rep it out. Recently I haven't done more than one rep of 275 in like 4 months, bro. Just to my pack, I'm still
Yeah.
on the air. But you gotta show out, so we got
Some birds.
over
We got
here.
some birds over here.
Can't fucking look small. I'm gonna go ask him for a spot. I'm gonna look like a gym creep.
You definitely are.
I know it's popping. And the wife beater, it always makes my nipples look big.
No, it's because you're on steroids, right?
What the? No!
Right now?
Oh, like from my bench, you're gonna go smack me. But you're little, so I'm not scared. So I feel safe. But you have to piss.
Smack it.
You gotta piss me
Make sure you
off.
smack them hard. So you feel
Yeah,
safe.
and I'm gonna have this installed. I haven't. Oh shit.
Yesterday he had a double PR here.
Yeah, I paired yesterday.
And they were like,
Yeah, oh, I'll show you the video. It was so loud too.
then it was like,
It was loud.
I'm scared to smack you.
I might hit you back.
Maybe actually so he's more aggressive than me.
Huh?
He's more aggressive than me.
Yeah, I'm a little scared. That's why I want you spotting me.
Yeah, why don't you get in there?
You know how to spot?
I mean, I can.
Okay, no, I mean like, it's not like I'm going till failure. It's just a lift off I need. All right, you ready? Let's go. It's cocaine in a bottle.
Smack him, I'll be
No, what is this?
Stop, dude.
Cocaine?
Something like that. See my flex?
Cracked out. You're always cracked. I know.
You're like 90 pounds and one scoop pre-workout takes you like a truck. I'm double your
Oh, I
weight.
didn't take any rides.
You want some? Oh, you already took your own?
Rise is fire.
You want to try it?
She's
Later.
not on caffeine right now.
You're on no caffeine?
Yeah.
I'm on no fap.
I'm gonna
That's
have.
cap. That's such
I'm gonna
cap.
have to get the lowest ever.
Get the core. The core's nice.
Yeah,
I
that's
took
what I
blackout.
tried.
I took blackout. Oh my god, I'm fucking cracked out.
I love pre-workout. That makes me feel cracked out.
I know, but
What should
the
I take?
blackout one is
I used to
400
take like
milligrams. It's too.
DMAA and shit.
The regular
Oh,
one is
it's
too.
fucking.
Like she doesn't like beta alanine, and I
No, but
love
he,
that
it.
shit.
no, but I
has
took
been
it.
on me.
I know, I took it with him last time, and I had a little tingle. It was nice. I don't lie.
Harder. Harder. Let's go, baby. That's 3. Give me that shit.
Snap. It was all
It
the
was all
snap.
the
It was a weak ass smash.
Harder.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. My bar pathway was a little weird today. But regardless, we matched the PR today. We matched it, 275 3. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Let's get a pump. Let's go to get a pump.
Cue the sick ass music.
That your soul is gone.
Alright guys, you have to be an absolute fucking psychopath to do this shit. Who puts 10s on the inside? Dude, what the fuck? You gotta be a psychopath. Everyone knows it's by the biggest weight first. Like, you know that too, right?
Yeah.
You're not even a gym bro like that. Like, everyone knows that. Common courtesy. It's disrespectful, man.
Disrespectful, yeah.
Some people literally think I'm like 165, bro. I'm not even kidding. They don't believe me. 186 with shoes. Oh, we got it?
Yeah, we got
186-ish. 185 without my shoes, so. Yeah, we are like 185. We're waking up around 184. Had a meal. You looking shredded or what?
No, you look shredded as fuck.
Yeah, guys. Don't sleep in the cut. Greek God's summer. Oh, shit, right here. Almost there, bro. A little bit.
Yeah.
Hey boys, wrapped up the workout, literally 2.5 hour workout. Been here for a fat minute. It's a dope gym. You can't even tell it looks like a gym. We got fucking Arby's post workout. I'm just gonna, we're not gonna eat some ass, bro. But it doesn't even look like a gym.
There's no branding at all.
No branding. It's a new gym, so they just moved locations. Hella chill. That guy over there, real fucking cool. He plugged it up with a good price for a 10-day pass. And he even let my boy Tony in for free, which is fucking sick. So let's go.